Hi there, my name is Salma, and today I'm going to show you how our PDF batch management software works. It is a software where you could do many PDF file related work, like convert PDFs or images, or vice versa, add a bookmark, add attachments, set pop-up notifications, and much more. In this video, I will show you each of the tasks you can do. When you run the software, you will find a drop-down box at the top that shows the list of actions that you can perform. So let's perform the very first action, which is join multiple PDF files. We have a sample PDF folder here with two PDF files. One has only one page and another has 5 pages. Now, I want to join those two PDF files into a single PDF file. Click on the Add PDF Files button and add those two PDF files. Now, click on the Last Step button. Select the Output PDF file where you wish to save the joined file. Now, click on the Start Batch Processing button. When completed, it will ask you whether you want to open the joined PDF file. When you open it, you can now see it has 6 pages. This is how our software joins multiple PDF files. Next, let's perform the Reorder Page function. Sometimes you may have a need to reorder your PDF pages, like move page 3 to number 1, or move page 5 to number 3, for example. For that, you can use our software reorder function. You need to keep in mind, if you want to reorder multiple PDF files, then all PDF files must have the same number of pages. For this presentation, I will choose a single PDF file, which has 5 pages. Now, let's go on to the next step. Our software lists all the pages. You can move the page position by using the right side buttons. Click on the last step. Select the output folder where your updated PDF file will be saved. I've created an output folder on the desktop and started the batch processing. Now, open the processed PDF file, and you can see that the pages are reordered. At the top, it shows page number 5, and so on, as we have reordered it in the software. Okay, now I will show you how to password protect a PDF file. If you want to use a password to protect your PDF file, this is how you would do it. Select the PDF file you want to password protect. Click on the next step. Enter the password and confirm the same password. You can also tick the Show Password checkbox to show the password, to make sure you have entered your password correctly. Then click on the last step and select the output folder where you want to save the file. Click on the Start Processing button, and it will password protect your selected PDF file. Now, if you open the PDF file in the output folder, you can see it asks for a password now. This PDF can only be opened by providing the correct password. Now, I will show you how to remove the password protection from a PDF file. If you have some password-protected PDF file in which you know the password, and now you want to remove the password, then you can use this function. This function only allows you to process a previously password-protected file. So, if you try to add PDF files that are not protected and try to go on to the next step, it will tell you that one or more PDF files are not password protected. Okay, now I have added the PDF file that we have just password protected. When I add a password protected PDF file, you can see that the page count column shows either password protected or corrupted. That means the software cannot read the PDF file, as it is protected by a password. click on the next step. Enter the password admin, as I have set this password for those files. Now, click on the last step. Select the output folder. This time, let's create another output folder for the files. Okay, now if you open the new PDF file, you will notice it is no longer asking for a password. Now we are going to try the Batch Encrypt PDF Files function. In some cases, you may not need to password protect the PDF file, but restrict some action. Like, don't allow user to copy text or images, or make an edit on the PDF file. In those cases, you can use this function. First, select Encrypt PDF Files from Batch Action and add the PDF files you would like to encrypt. Then go to Next Step. By default, it will disable all possible action that you may want to restrict. But if you would like to allow any of them, just select No. Click on the last step. Select the output folder where your updated PDF file will be saved. Now, if you check the PDF file and try to copy text or print, you will notice that it is not possible. Just like the previous action, if you get PDF files that are encrypted and you want to remove the restrictions, then you need to use the Decrypt PDF Files batch action. Now I will show you how to batch print PDF files. If you need to print many PDF files and don't want to be bothered by opening each file in PDF Reader, setting the printer, putting in the number of copies, etc., then you can use this function to print multiple PDF files at once. First, add the PDF files you want to print. Then, click on the next step. The next step will show you different print settings. All of you are probably familiar with most of the options here. Only two options may be new, which are Start Page and End Page. Start Page is the page you want to print first, and for the first page, it should be 1. End Page is the page in which you want to print last. Enter -1 if you want to print all the rest of the pages. For this function, you will see that the output folder is disabled. As you know, there is nothing to output to a file when we are printing. Next, I will show you how to use our software to add bookmarks. Add the PDF file with which you wish to set bookmarks. Like the reorder function, this function also needs all the PDF files to have the same number of pages. So let's select only one PDF file that has 5 pages. Then go to the next step. To add a bookmark, type the bookmark title and select the page as a bookmark target. Click on Add Bookmark. If you want, you can add a child bookmark under a parent bookmark too. After the process is complete, when you open the new PDF file, you can see the bookmarks are there. Next, let's remove bookmarks from a PDF file. To remove bookmarks from PDF files, use this action. Add the PDF file that has the bookmarks. Then go to the last step and select the output folder and process it. If you check the new PDF file, you will see all the bookmarks are gone. Now, I will show you how to add attachments to a PDF file. If you want to add other files as an attachment to a PDF, then you can use this function. Select the source PDF file. Next, add the files you want to attach. And finally, process it to your output folder. Now, when you open the PDF file, you will see those files are available as attachments in the PDF files. Okay, now I will show you how to remove attachments from a PDF file. It's similar to removing bookmarks from a file. Just select the PDF files with attachments and go to the last step and process it to an output folder. Now, when you open the processed PDF file, you can see all the attachments in the PDF file are gone. Next, let's set a pop-up notification on a PDF file. This may be something new to you, but I will show you how it works. Most of us are very familiar with a website pop-up, where a pop-up arises and the user needs to take some action regarding the pop-up. Yes, PDFs can have pop-ups too. And here's how you can set a PDF pop-up notification. First, set the pop-up title. Next, type the pop-up message. Then, you need to select on which event the notification will pop up. There are 3 available options for the timing of the pop-up: when the PDF opens, when the PDF is closing, and when the PDF starts to print. Next, select the message type. This is generally the icon that will show with the pop-up message. Then, select how many buttons you want to show. Then, based upon your selections for the button type, you will need to select an action for each button. There are 6 kinds of actions you can choose from: do nothing, close the PDF, change the zoom level, visit a website, send an email, and send an email with the PDF as an attachment. Okay, so there are 3 different actions for 3 buttons. Now, when you try to go to the last step, it displays a message that the website address is not valid. This is because a website address must start with either HTTP or HTTPS. Now, process the PDF file. When you open the PDF file, you see it shows that pop-up with the title and message that we set. Next, I will show you how to remove pop-up notifications from a PDF file. This is just the opposite of the previous action. If you have PDF files that show a notification every time it's opened, and you don't want to deal with that anymore, then you can use this action to remove the pop-up notification from your PDF file. To remove, add the PDF file that has the pop-up notifications. Go to the next step. Select which pop-ups you want to remove. You can choose to remove only specific pop-up notifications, or you can remove them all. When we've processed the file, you can see the file no longer displays the pop-up notifications. Now, let's convert a PDF file to an image file. Next, select the output image format. Each output format has their own options that you can set. Next, select the output folder and start the batch process. Now, when you open the output folder, you will see the PDF file pages have been converted to JPEG image files. Now, I will show you how to convert an image to a PDF. If you want to create PDF files from images, then use this function. First, add the images you wish to convert. Next, select the conversion mode, whether you want to create a single PDF file with all the images or individual PDF files for each image. Let's first try the single PDF file. When the processing is completed, when you open the PDF file, you will see there are 8 pages in the PDF, and each page has a separate image. Now go back to the previous step and select Individual Mode. Again, after processing, if you check the output folder, you will see there are now 8 PDF files, and all 8 PDF files have single pages with different images. So this is how our software works. I hope you will test it soon. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Best regards from Shyam Computer.